Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to record screen in Android Q, Android 10 devices. Swipe down notification panel from top of the screen. Tap setting here icon. Scroll down up to end of the page. Tap on a system. Tap on advanced. Make sure turn on developer mode in your Android Q, Android 10 devices. Now scroll down up to feature flags under debugging section. Tap on feature flags. Here you can find a screen record long press option. By default turn off. Turn on setting screen record long press toggle in your devices. Now tap on home button. Long press power button. Now long press screenshot. You can see start recording screen in your device screen. Tap on a start recording to record video in Android Q devices. You can here stop, push or cancel notification recording. Swipe down, stop, push or cancel recording you want. You can find this video recording under gallery or photo in your devices. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe.